Ever felt like you were talking to a brick wall when trying to get help online? We have all been there, and it is frustrating to deal with a robot that just does not get it at all. Companies want to save time with automation, but they often end up pushing their customers away by making everything feel cold and mechanical, which is a huge mistake for any brand. Today we are diving into how you can use the latest technology to speed things up without losing that vital human connection that keeps your loyal customers coming back for more. The secret is not about replacing people with machines, but rather using tools to handle the repetitive tasks so your team can focus on the complex emotional problems that matter. Start by implementing intelligent routing, which ensures that a customer is directed to the right person or bot immediately, based on their specific needs and the urgency of the issue. Use data to personalize every interaction, so even a chatbot knows the customer's name and their previous purchase history, making the conversation feel much more like a real relationship. One of the most important features is a seamless handover, where the bot realizes it is stuck and passes the chat to a live agent without the customer having to repeat their story. Invest in natural language processing tools that allow your bots to understand slang or typos and respond in a tone that actually matches your unique brand voice and personality. Create a robust self-service portal with interactive guides and videos, because sometimes the best human touch is giving someone the power to solve their own problem quickly. Go beyond reactive. Help by using automation to reach out when a system detects a user might be struggling with a specific feature before they even have to ask for any assistance. Always include a feedback loop after an automated interaction to ask how it went, which shows you actually care about the experience and are constantly looking for ways to improve. Remember that automation should empower your staff by giving them all the context they need in a single dashboard, so they can provide a thoughtful and deeply personalized response. Regularly review your bot's conversations to see where things went wrong and update the logic, because a stale automation is a quick way to lose the trust of your entire audience. Incorporate images or short videos into your automated flows to make the information easier to digest and more engaging than just reading long blocks of text on a small screen. Ensure your bot's personality aligns perfectly with your human agents so that the transition feels natural and the user never feels like they are entering a completely different world. Be honest about when a customer is talking to a bot, because transparency builds trust, and people are usually happy to use automation if they know it will lead to a faster result. Use sentiment analysis to detect when a customer is angry or upset, so the system can prioritize them for human intervention before the situation escalates into a bigger crisis. Automation allows you to offer support in multiple languages around the clock, ensuring that every customer feels seen and heard regardless of their location or the time zone. Technology evolves fast, so keep testing new features like voice bots or predictive analytics to stay ahead of expectations and maintain that competitive edge in your industry. Finding the perfect balance between speed and empathy is a journey, not a destination. So stay flexible and listen to what your customers are telling you about their experiences. Always prioritize data security and privacy in your automation strategy, because nothing kills the human connection faster than a customer feeling like their data is being misused. Leverage automation to manage community forums where users can help each other, which fosters a sense of belonging that feels very human and supportive for everyone involved. Move beyond simple response times and look at customer satisfaction scores and resolution quality to truly measure if your automation is helping or hurting the brand. Train your human agents on how to work alongside AI tools so they can leverage the technology to be even more effective and empathetic in their daily interactions with people. The future of support is a hybrid model where humans and machines work in perfect harmony to provide the most efficient and caring experience possible for every single individual. I hope these tips help you transform your customer support into a powerhouse of efficiency and warmth. So let me know in the comments how you are using automation in your own business. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on growing your business with the latest technology and smart strategies.